Good morning, students. Today's topic, some uses of non-metal from the chapter metals and non-metals. So today I am going to introduce some of the non-metals and their uses in the daily life. The first one, oxygen. First one, oxygen. I hope all of you know the importance of oxygen in the life. It is essential gas in the life for the respiration. Almost all air organisms are respire in the help of oxygen. It is very essential gas. Okay. And some of the aquatic animals and fishes are use the oxygen, dissolved oxygen for their respiration. And it is oxygen is helpful to combustion process also. Okay. More than some of the uses are given here. I will introduce to you the first one, liquid oxygen. Liquid oxygen is used as a rocket propellant. Liquid oxygen is used in rocket propellant. Okay. And next one, the mixture of acetylene and the oxygen. Oxygen and acetylene, it is used to produce the high flame. High flame is used to produce the high temperature flame. So that flame is called oxyacetylene flame. Okay. So this flame is used in the cutting and welding process. So high temperature flame is sending to one particular iron. Otherwise the solid things what happen easy to break. That's why this is a high temperature flame, that's named oxyacetylene flame. Okay. And next use, it is the important compound. It is the important compound. So the oxygen is also helpful to preparing some of the compounds like nitric acid and sulfuric acid for the industrial purpose. And next one, in the steel industry, they see pure oxygen used to remove the impurities. In the steel industries, the pure oxygen is used in the removing the impurities. These are the main uses of oxygen. Okay. And the next one, nitrogen. Nitrogen is also very important gas for the animals and the plants. So the plants is also using this nitrogen in the compounds of nitrogen compounds. That very helpful to preparing and building the plant proteins. As a result, what plants will grow easily. That's why nitrogen is a very important and essential gas in the plants and animals also. And next, some of the few uses is given here. The first one, it is used for manufacturing ammonia. The nitrogen, it is used for manufacturing ammonia and nitric acid for the manufacturing of fertilizers. Fertilizers is very important for the plant for their better growing and their better yield. Okay. And next one, liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is used as a cooling agent in the refrigeration or refrigerator for cooling the substance. And next one, it's a non-reactive gas. Nitrogen is a non-reactive gas. That's why some of the packed food or canned food is used in the packed food. What happens? That food materials will keep long time. That's why in the packet food is also filled in this gas. That's why it is unreactive. That's why that food is never spoiled. Next one, nitrogen is used in the metal industry. Nitrogen is used in the metal industries for welding and the soldering of things. Soldering of some of the metals. So it is very important metal gas for the soldering and the welding of some metals. That's why nitrogen is used in steel industries, otherwise metal industries. Okay. And the next non-metal, sulphur. Sulphur is soft and yellowish color. Soft and yellow in color. It's a solid at room temperature. Solid in nature. Okay. And it is a brittle. Easy to broken into pieces. That's a brittle in nature. And it is a very poor conductor of electricity. This is the basic nature of sulphur. And some few uses is here. It is used in raw material in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. So it is a raw material. Which one? Sulphur is a raw materials in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Okay. And next one, it is used in the making paper, insecticides and fungicides. So which one? The sulphur is used in making paper, manufacturing of paper and fungicides and insecticides. And next one, so the sulphur, it is used in vulcanization of rubber. Vulcanization of rubber. So the vulcanized rubber is more durable and strong compared to the natural rubber. That's why sulphur is the agent to vulcanizing the rubber for the increasing the strength and durability. And next one, the sulphur powder. Sulphur powder is used as a fungicide. Sulphur powder used as a fungicide in skincare soap. In skincare soap and ointments. So some of the ointments we are using every day, no? And soap also. So it is also mixed in the sulphur powder. So sulphur powder acts as a fungicides that kill the fungus present in the body. That's why that some of the ointments and the soaps are already introduced the sulphur powder. And next one, it is used in the matches, gunpowder and fireworks due to its flammable nature. The sulphur is a flammable nature. That's why it is used in the manufacturing of matches, gunpowders and fireworks. Next one, phosphorus. And next to non-metal, phosphorus. Phosphorus is a reactive solid. Reactive solid. It exists in different color. Red phosphorus, white phosphorus and black phosphorus in nature. Okay. So it is not seen in the free state. It is not in the free state. Okay. So let's see some uses of the phosphorus. The first one, it is used in making smoke bombs. Smoke bombs. And used as a rat poison. Phosphorus is used as a rat poison and rat poison and smoke bombs. And next one, it is used for fireworks. It is used for fireworks used in a phosphoric acid. And next use the manufacturing of the phosphoric acid in the fertilizer industries. And next one, it is used in the matches and the bullet traces. There are few two types of the red phosphorus and the phosphorus trisulfide. These two are used in the manufacturing of matches and the bullet traces. Which of the phosphorus? First one, red phosphorus, and the next one, phosphorus trisulfide. The both are used in the manufacturing of matches and the bullet traces. And next one, and these are the main uses. These are the main uses of phosphorus and the sulphur. Okay. Next one, carbon. Carbon is the most important non-metal in the earth crust. That means almost all the compounds made in the carbon. For the graphite, diamond, and almost all the compounds are. Which one is better? Which one is useful for the human? Almost everything is made in the form of carbon. Okay, so that's why carbon is very essential for the human life. So there are few uses given here. The first one, the carbon is used in the form of graphite. Graphite is in the form of carbon. Okay, the purest form of carbon, that's a graphite. So this graphite is used as an electrolytic cell and dry cells. Dry cells. You know, for the dry cells, that means it is very important. That means it is a good conductor of of electricity and heat. That's why in dry cells and the electrolytic process, the graphite is used for the easy to transfer the light and electricity and heat. So the form of carbon, that's a graphite, is a good conductor, easy to transfer, easy to convey, easy to transfer in the heat and electricity one place to another place. Okay, and next one, some of the lead pencil, no, is used in the lead, in the form of lead, the center one. It is also using for our daily purpose, daily life. And next one, the carbon in the form of diamond. Carbon in the form of diamond are used in making jewelry. It is a very purest form of carbon. That's a diamond. The diamond is also using for as a jewelries. The next one, coal and coke. Coal and coke are used as fuels. Coal, the form of carbon, and the coke is also form of carbon. These are used as a fuel. Okay. In some of the big industries, coal and coke is also used in the high yield production, high production of materials. That's why high coal and coke is used. And some of the human normal purpose also, coal is also used. And carbon black is used in making inks. Carbon black is used in the making ink on the carbon paper and typewriter ribbons. So for the manufacturing of the carbon or carbon black is used in the making ink, carbon paper and typewriter ribbons. So these are the basic uses of carbon in the daily life. So that's why almost the carbon is very useful for the human life in different ways. So we are every day also focusing, every day we are using these compounds of carbon. It's not directly using, and it's a formation. That means the compound is every day we are using us in different ways, like that jewelry or for the conducting purpose and for the pencil. Each and everything is also the form of carbon. These are the main uses. So I hope all of you understood this topic, the uses of some non-metals. Okay, thank you.